Hereman Yordanos Anju Yamamem. Koye Shondolio Ligidoni, Bartolosre, Galemo Sarto Daricho.
Meet Yordanos, a dedicated farmer from Shondolo Liwo Blate Zuria, northern Sidama. For generations, his family has relied on farming and livestock production.
Gavekyo Badalan Losrem, Vesan Losrem, Waheno Losrem, Konini Takame Kaki, and a Sadaten in Eko, Sadate Borin Eko.
Livestock is crucial to Yordanos and his community, providing milk, meat, and income. However, the widely used practice of overgrazing has created land degradation and feed shortage, hindering livestock production. Yordanos is one of 600 farmer citizen scientists participating in the Ethiopia Grass Project. Together, they're helping to identify multi-purpose grass-legume forage mixtures that offer both nutritional benefits for livestock and deliver environmental benefits.
Na kuniro hamile leoniti kuicha abine mintonio sasenta madawe balemu kinne utinong ke iteka balemu ninke amadeka entini albani no ashim bashudino ana tini saada chumukawa koe gutma laona hakuro abe shomboko kaiso modoni
dirigite dagge ka entini balatte hedo cumishishsho anke woshite balemu waradunni no tewakkaya dite baatto fiqaadinnetunni aanno gede umisi fajjootina xaano qollenni Itiyoogiraasi loontanne ninke balemu su'minni galanteemu arso addirno hatteeyita taatini woyyaabbino hayesso kawiicho abbine kayinni winxoommoti mulaatooti weechetenna mombaasaati ti kawiichinni 6 cm winxoommoti tenne labbaa hayessote danubbana
daye konne ledo ataagalame ko eshu unaaro no shuqune taro de bitaro busharo no konne asiyan biddi asiyan konni garinite ledo hasha barra to wicho gareta.
Improved grass-legume forage mixtures offer a multitude of benefits. They not only provide high-quality feed for livestock, but also help restore soil fertility, prevent erosion, and increase crop yields.
Sada ata hawadi samora minni tenne shamadaretta mitikite lankimesho koletenne wesetenne no takamine konne tilawayansa konne rorsite battana ko e kayni indaga taami Mombasa onna konna otina doro ko e merero holla qamo karsisemo ko gari tatakame kita lota sabisina nanke tashiya nonkana ammatum manira ko wicho lemu manni geeshira hedo lota worre no lo manni mitekka kashasini hasambe lemunku manni giddo
Involving farmers in selecting suitable, high-yield grass-legume mixture forages is crucial for widespread adoption and a greater positive impact on both livestock feed and ecosystem restoration.
Galatinemo geha basho hasabisiisa manni togo kidino ninkera talalo tatakame ikkate galatinemo